Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Tile Tool Tuesday. I have a very unique and simply amazing product to review for you. This tool helps with large format tile installation. Tiles up to 2 foot by 4 foot. This helps with glass panel installations. This tool helps you to move very large, awkward objects, such as your 4x8 sheets of drywall, 4x8 sheets of plywood, your framing, 2x10s, 2x12s, all the way down to moving furniture. Guys, this tool is awesome. Let's show you. RTC Grabo. This is a portable electric grabber. Grabo, heavy lifting made easy. Let's unbox. The tool comes with an excellent protective hard case. And here it is, extremely lightweight, electric suction cup. Again, I've been looking for one. I've been doing a lot of research to help with installation of large porcelain tiles, your 2 foot by 4 foot. We also install glass panels. This helps with glass panel installation. We also cut and fabricate solid surfaces, such as your quartz, for vanity countertop installation, large benches, and this also helps move around your large 4 foot by 8 foot sheets of drywall, 4 foot by 8 foot sheets of plywood. Something like this can be packed in your toolbox, and you will find yourself using it much more than you expect. Let's show you what's included with the kit. Here you have the main unit, your Grabo electric suction cup, on and off switch, pressure, release. You have hooks here for straps that are included. Let's quickly show you that. So this is wireless. It includes 2 battery packs, one for backup, one for the unit. Also includes a charging cable, as well as straps to hook here in order to move large items such as appliances, refrigerators, and things like that. Now guys, believe it or not, the capabilities of this thing is simply amazing. This can lift up to 375 pounds. I will demonstrate the different ways you can use this on different types of material. It also includes a backup foam seal, and I will admit, the quality and build feels outstanding. This thing feels solid, well built, built to last. You also have your pressure gauge here, and that is the unit. Very simple. I will blow your mind on how powerful this thing is. Let's quickly show you. We will start the testing with me. I weigh 215 pounds. I can literally do pull-ups with this on the wall behind me. We have painted brick, very, very rough surfaces. Check it out. Are you kidding me? That's crazy. Let's move on and show you how it handles other material. Here we go. Now, very large porcelain tiles are becoming very, very popular right now. I have a 4 foot porcelain tile. This weighs over 40 pounds. Now, installing something like this by yourself is nearly impossible. Very, very difficult, but it's made very easy to pick up and install with the Grabo. Check it out. Lift and install. Just like that. We now lift 3/4 of an inch of quartz. And here we have a piece of quartz. This also weighs over 40 pounds. For all of those guys out there who work on solid surface installation, countertop installation, your quartz companies where you fabricate and install. This helps a lot. It's much quicker and easier than any other type of suction cup. Just like that. Lift, install, release. That simple. Let's move to glass. Now, when installing glass, the Grabo absolutely helps with your glass installation. Just like that, pick it up, install, release. That simple. It can also help you easily pick up and move around your larger glass panels. This is a 3 foot by 4 foot glass panel, 1/2 inch, weighs over 100 pounds. Very easy to move around with one person. And there it is, guys. This is simply an amazing tool. This can be used for so many different applications and functions. Like usual, links will be in the description below with specs and pricing. The Grabo by RTC Russo Trading Company. We are looking forward to using this on a regular basis with our bath and shower remodeling projects. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and most importantly, share the video if you know anybody who might find this tool useful, and I'll see you on the next one.